Okay, I wanted to show you one more thing. Let's say we have a table of values. Now, again, this could be any piece of data and functions. So let's say we have an input. Let's just say this stands for quantity. And let's say this is company number 1, sales. And let's say this is company number 2, sales. So we're going to have input the quantity. Let's just write this to you guys. This is input, and both of these are output. And this is also output. So when we do this, I'm just going to make up these numbers, you guys. Literally make them up. So let's just say I have 10, 17, 22, and 32. That's our quantity of items. Okay, so for the output, I'm really going to make this up, you guys. Let's say it's 125. Let's say it's 195. Let's say it's 221. And then let's say it is, 250. That's the output for company 1. For company 2, let's just make up some stuff again, you guys. Let's say it is 145. Let's say it is 210. Let's say they're making more too. And let's say it's 260. And the last one, let's say it is 315. So then the question is, what is the rate of change between, let's just say, what is the rate of change between an input of, let's say, 17 to 32? So we want to know for company number 1. And we also want to know for company number 2. So what you have to realize is, what are these points? So again, we have our input of 17 and our input of 32. So now for company 1, you will notice that with 17, the output is 195. And with 32 for company number 1, the output is 250. So to calculate this, we are doing the 250 minus the 195 over 32 minus 17, and we get 3.66 repeating. So now let's take a look at what it would be for company number 2. So again, we're going to be going between 17 and 32. So the output for company number 2 at 17 is 210. Does everybody see where this is? It's right there. And then for 32, our output is 315. So again, we are calculating the average rate of change for this. It's the output, the change in Y, over the change in X. So what do we get? We end up with 7. So these are going to be dollars. Okay, so when it comes to these, everybody, you have to be careful that you're looking at the units as far as the output per input. Now again, you guys, this is basically like a word problem, but you have to be able to read the table of values and give the information from that input and the specified output. See you next time.